Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Good, I'm Cornell.
I'm Mike.
Mike, Yandre.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So we are ready to do a little welding today.
All right. So we're welding slip collars to parts you just bent.
Yep, yeah, Yandre bent these parts and I think we're supposed to put the collars on there. So.
All right. So who's going to start welding?
I think I'll go first.
Yeah.
Excellent. All right, this is a TIG torch. It's thoriated tungsten.
Okay.
We're using it on stainless steel. The light from this is 10 times brighter than the sun.
Wow.
You have your welding torch on at all, or your hood on at all times. And the heat out of this thing is 1600 degrees, so make sure you got your gloves on.
Dang, 1600.
Yep.
Wow, that's hot.
Yeah.
And then we're going to be welding a slip collar
Okay.
to the stainless, like so. So what we do is we'll tack it in position, and then we'll continue on with the weld.
Perfect.
Okay?
Yep, let's do it. I got my 1600 degree torch, my TIG torch. I got my hood. Just tighten it. And ready to go.
All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to tack the corner here, tack the corner here, take the clamp off as well.
Okay. Ow.
So good, wiggle it.
With the slip collar tacked and in place, Yandre can now weld the collar to the sheet metal. For his first collar, Yandre gets some well-appreciated advice from Mike.
And what you want to do is
Ever so slightly more to that side than
you want
the...
to start here at the top, and you want to kind of roll that metal down on something, so you kind of give it
Okay.
one of these little...
And then kind of keep it down all the way
you just
around?
want to watch your puddle completely fill the entire gap. See, before you didn't bring it all the way down, so you hit
Yeah.
Just continue on.
Okay, okay.
You'll watch it fill.
All right.
Excellent, good job.
Thank you.
All right, my turn. I'm a little nervous. I heard all kinds of stories about lightning and, you know, it's sticking to the plate if I do it wrong. So.
Now that Cornell has the reins, Mike goes over the safety protocol again with Cornell.
So just the corners, right?
Yep, you're just going to basically, you're going to melt that corner onto there and that corner onto there, and that'll hold it enough to take the clamp off.
Okay, all right. How about now? How does that look?
Yep, it's stuck.
Okay.
Yep, and then do the same thing over here.
Okay. Any improvement tips and pointers, constructive critique?
Basically, you can put this like right there,
Okay.
and then once you hit it, just kind of start giving it a little floating action.
Okay.
You should pull it right to it.
Okay.
Cornell tacks the collar successfully. Now Mike attempts to explain the concept of manipulating the puddle to Cornell.
Okay.
And then basically what you're going to do is you're going to start this puddle again, and then
Okay.
you're just kind of bounce it back and forth all the way around there until you get over there.
Okay.
And you'll see once the puddle starts, all you have to do is start advancing the puddle and it'll follow.
Let's see if I can figure it out. I don't really feel like I can see the puddle that well, so.
While welding, the team must remember not to go too fast or get too close to the part surface. If this happens, they run the risk of getting the torch stuck on the sheet metal. Mike also explains to watch for the puddle and use it as a guide to complete the weld.
Oh no, I got it stuck.
You'll see how good it was going. But
Is that good?
Yeah, you have to see what you're doing and you have to continue that. What happens is you started getting faster.
Okay.
So I said slow down.
I think let me rotate it too. Okay. All right. Okay, I feel like that was a little bit better, more comfortable.
Okay.
Gets really hot. Whew.
Oh yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
All errors aside, Yandre and Cornell complete the welding process for the parts.
Yeah, they're okay. Not bad. This first one was better, it seems like.
That is more rainbow.
Okay,
lights,
let's get Mike.
So it looks like we're done welding.
Excellent. So you guys ready to bead blast?
Yeah.
Guess so. Guess
Let's get your parts together and let's go bead blasting.
Okay.
This is bead blaster back here in the corner.
Okay.
Basically, you're going to put your parts in here to take the coloration of the weld out.
Okay.
Deburr anything that's not deburred on the part, and it'll also give it kind of a frosted look.
All right.
All right.
Let's go for it.
Cornell will be running the bead blaster for Mike. And it's up to Mike to keep Cornell safe during this process.
It turns on your air.
Okay.
Okay. This pedal here turns your bead on and off. So you step on it to turn it on, you step on the back of it to turn it off.
Okay.
And you need to hold your part, or you're going to blow your part straight across.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
Jeez. Ah, geez. It's really hard to hold on to. Oh my gosh. Am I supposed to like clean off the bend lines and everything? Except for that giant explosion.
Basically what you want to try to do is you want to try to spray it at
beautiful
about
it
a
is.
45-degree angle, which gives you the best coverage.
It's like really hard to hold on to. All right, here we go.
That looks great.
Yeah, not too bad, huh?
Yep. Now see how all that color that was there is going?
Yeah.
Yep. And now that part won't rust.
Okay.
The color on stainless will actually rust.
Oh.
So that's the purpose for small parts and things of that nature to be bead blasting. Well, now that you guys are done bead blasting that's pretty much it for that part. We're going to go do a little bit of assembly on a tunnel, put belt supports and plastic in that.
All right, cool. Yeah, let's go check it out.
Our part looks good.
Yeah, it turned out good. All right, this is a 30-foot tunnel.
Okay.
We're going to be putting in belt supports, which is the steel structure here. We'll be getting bolted to the bed with an 1.25 inch spacer and a 1/2-13 bolt.
Okay.
And then we'll be sliding the UHMW rails out after all of the belt supports are in, and then that's what the actual belt will be riding on is the UHMW.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so do we get to use some fancy power tools for this?
A wrench.
All right. Looks good. All right, I'll head to the other side.
The team starts the assembly of the rails, which will guide the conveyor belt system for the freezer.
This isn't working like my IKEA furniture.
Let me get you guys a ratchet. Not allowed? Huh? With a ratchet?
Stainless, yeah,
Like,
because you can get more torque.
really?
So before you know it, it's stuck. So if I have to go out and service this and say the belt gets wadded up and tears these up, I got to be able to get these out.
Cornell starts to get the swing of things. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said for her counterpart.
All right, Andre, how's it looking over there?
You done?
Yeah, and I've already set up all my stations. Well, it looks like Yandere was having a little trouble with his bolts. Yandere, what's going on over there?
We are putting the nuts in here, or the bolts.
How come Mike's got to do it for you? I felt kind of bad because at first I was kind of giving him the business about, you know, me winning and getting through it a little bit more quickly. Yeah, it's a race, I'm winning.
I don't know how bolts work.
Oh, really? Oh.
No, this one's really tight.
After a while, I started to feel bad because I feel like he did really well on the welding. You just have to force it in. That's all. Just power through, force it in.
I don't want to cross-thread it.
I thought he would be fine and was having a little trouble, so.
Yandere, with the help of Mike, get to the root of the bolt problems.
There's a bolt. And it looks like the thread missed here on the first one. So it's having a hard time going in now. I had some trouble with the bolts. We're gonna re-tap one of the holes that I double-threaded, cross-threaded. So I think we're almost good to go here. Yeah, good to go. We got to sort it out. So 2 more bars to assemble, and then we're gonna put these slats on.
So what you want to do is put a little oil on it. It doesn't take much, just run like a little line of oil. All right, that's good. And then you want to start it and make sure it starts easy.
Yeah, seems okay.
So what is that doing?
It's recutting the threads.
Okay.
So what happened is the threads were not exactly lined up, and when he ran that in, he rolled the threads. What we have to do is we have to go back and resharpen them. We got to cut them back so the bolt goes right in.
So can you tell us a little bit more about why these freezers have to be so cold?
It all depends on the product that they're running, whether it's chicken or vegetables or...
Isn't frozen?
It all has to do with time duration, how fast they want it, how many pounds an hour they need to run.
Okay.
Things of that nature.
After retapping the hole, the team wraps up on the conveyor belt assembly.
Nice. Oh, last one.
Look, so we got our hands dirty.
All right, so we're here at the batch freezer. We just got done assembling the, oh, this can open. Whoa.
What was that? I couldn't hear you.
What were you doing in there?
I was just checking out the quality.
Pretty
it's really
sweet,
good
huh?
Quality.
Yeah, these guys make a nice product. So we had a fun day today. We did laser cutting.
Yeah.
We did
press
some
brake.
Sigma nest. We did press brake, right?
Yep. Welding. You did a great job welding.
Oh, thank you. And then bead blasting.
Yeah.
Back to assembly, and these guys were really good about showing us the ropes.
Yeah, so we had an awesome time. Mike was super helpful. Tony was extremely helpful. Other Mike was really helpful. And we...
Of course, thanks very much to Johnny as well for having us here and being a part of the series American Made.
See you guys next time. Hey, thank you for watching.
American Made is brought to you by Sigma Nest Software.
Nest at the best.
If you want your shop to feature in one of our episodes, click on the link below in the description.
And if you want to make sure you don't miss an episode, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Perfect. Nailed it.
Except I like majorly cheesed up at the end
That's
like
fine.
this.
Yeah, totally good.